In Montan Hydraulic, we are into designing, manufacturing and installation and commissioning of hydraulic systems. We found that our traditional methods of keeping track of projects was letting us down. And to get over this, we immediately decided to go in for a full-fledged integrated ERP system. The decision to go in for an ERP system was easy because we were going through a lot of pain trying to get all the data in one place to figure out all the aspects of any particular ongoing project or a series of projects. And about 2 or 3 years ago rather, we did go in for an ERP system, but unfortunately things didn't work out because quite a few of the modules could not integrate and we could not get the required output the way we wanted it. Finally, after a lot of discussions with various companies, we had Ramco On Demand. They had a product which suited our requirements as far as design and manufacturing and purchasing and the complete integrated module was concerned. And secondly, they did have a time frame and a budget which suited our requirements also. And so we went with Ramco On Demand, and during the last 1 year, we are quite happy with the outcome of the exercise. The results have been quite encouraging. We have been able to get all the data as far as costs, as far as timely deliveries go, and so on and so forth.
We had problems in tracking enquiries, quotations and other such queries. After implementing Ramco On Demand ERP, there is complete visibility among all processes. The solution provides us with timely, accurate data. We are able to cater to our customers more effectively.
Another good thing about the Ramco On Demand ERP system is that I can have access to my company data even when I'm on the move.